What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Live. Glad to be back, guys. This is the next video. We are going to be discussing stop losses. One of my students asked me to make a video explaining how to place your stop loss or where to place your stop loss when you are catching spikes on boom and crash in the boom and crash market. Okay, so if this is your first time here, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I do drop the next video. So we're going to get straight into it, guys. This will not be a long video because this is a simple way to go ahead and trail your stop loss when you're catching spikes in the market and you're not doing take profit trades like long-term trades, day trading or swing trading. You're literally just catching the spike, but you are hopeful that more spikes are coming, so you don't want to close your position just yet. And like I said in the previous video, if you guys are struggling with anything in your trading, go ahead, comment down below what you would like me to make a video about, and I'll try my best to assist each and everyone. All I ask from you guys is to help me grow this platform. Let's try and bump it up to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're currently at 5,200. So I would like to end on 10,000 subscribers, and I can only do that with the help of you guys. So like this video and share this video, share the channel as much as you can to your friends and family that are all trying to get into Forex but are a little bit scared, need a bit of direction. This is the place to be. Join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. Make sure that you click on the little arrow at the bottom. You will find the link over there. Click on the link and join our community. We are a growing community on Telegram where I send out signals daily on synthetic pairs to catch spikes. We will be having a currency signal group next month. We currently have a spike signal group. We will be doing copy trading. There's many things that will be coming to Forex Live for the year of 2023. And I want you guys to all be a part of it. But nonetheless, let's get straight into the video. So, how do you place a stop loss? And then where do you place a stop loss when you are trading? So, on the phone, on your mobile phone, of course, it's a bit different. And then on a PC it's different, so I'm just going to do the PC version for you guys. Everybody knows how to place a stop loss on your phone. If you don't know how to place a stop loss on your MetaTrader 5 with your mobile phone, let me know down below and I'll make a video to show you guys how to actually place a stop loss on your mobile phone. But for the PC version, what we're going to do is, let's say you entered over here. Okay, over here. You entered over here. This is your entry. Let me do this. I think this will visually be a bit better. I just did the same thing, guys. Wow. So this over here is your entry point. Okay. I need to try and make it as straight as possible. That's your entry. Sorry. So now it spikes. What do you do? Where do you place your stop loss? So after the first spike, what I personally do and what I recommend, where you want to place your stop loss, I will go ahead and I'll place my stop loss right over there at break even. Right, a little bit of profits. However, I do know if price comes all the way back down, sorry, back up, this is crash. If price comes all the way back up, I will not close in a negative. Okay, so that's my stop loss. That's my stop loss. And then what happened? Another spike happened. What do I do now? I will always take my stop loss and I will move it above the previous high. So because we're on the 1 minute time frame, I'm going to move it above the previous spike level. So that's my stop loss. I'm going to move it above. Right over. Okay. Here's the high. Because it spiked again, that's the high. And that is my stop loss. If price comes back up and price knocks me out, that's okay. I will close with those profits. Now what happens? Spike, the price comes up. It does not hit my stop loss. Okay, we can see it does not hit my stop loss. It is above the previous spike and it spikes again. What do? I just adjust it and I move it above the previous one, which is this one. So that's my stop loss. Price moves and it spikes again. What do? Take my stop loss and I move my stop loss. Price comes back up, spikes again. I move my stop loss above the previous spike level, right over there. Price spikes. What am I going to do? I'm going to move it. Every time I'm going to move it above the previous spike. Comes back up, spike. What do? I put it above. Let me just move this. Above that previous spike level over there. That's my stop loss. It spikes. Put my stop loss above. It spikes again. I put my stop loss above, and then what happens? Price comes and price hits my stop loss. And that's okay. That is perfectly fine. Why? Because that's my entry and I caught all of those spikes and I closed in profits. Same with boom. Your boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300. You do it exactly the same. So let's take boom 1000 for example. So we entered our trade over here. Let me just get this. We entered our trade over here, right? Oh, let's say we entered here. We had some drawdown. Let's just make that black again. That's our entry. And we spiked into profits. First things first, what do? We place our stop loss almost at break even so that we can secure some profits. Yes, it will be a few cents. However, our equity, our account is safe. If it goes below, we're not going to hold the trade. Our stop loss is now in profits. We now have our trade secured. However, if it does spike again, what do? It spiked. Price came down, price spiked. Okay, more profits. We move it below the previous spike. Goes up, comes down, and it spikes. What do? We keep on moving it. So currently, that is our stop loss. If it comes down and it hits our stop loss, that's okay. Why? Because we still closed in profits. Remember, if you're closing in blue, you are closing in profits, whether it's a 1 cent, 2 cent, $1, $10, $100. Blue is blue. It's better than closing in the red. So always trail your stop losses. So this is the easy way to trail your stop losses when you are catching spikes. If you do take a trade and over here, let's just see, just look for an example over here. If you take a trade, this is what I do personally. If I take a trade over here, just this in a bit. Where is that now? It's not that far. Yeah. So if we take this trade, this is our entry. It spiked, but that was really, really little profits. What I personally do is, and I do it in my VIP group, I do it in my Telegram group, I follow a 3 to 4 candle rule. So what I do is once it spikes and it's this little profits, I will then hold 4 candles. So we call the 3 candle rule. On the close of the 4th candle, if another spike does not happen, you go ahead and you close the trade. So we have 1, 2, and it's spiked. However, I want to show you guys an example of the 3 candle rule. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. right? Remember I said 3 candle rule. On the close of the 4th candle, if there is no spike, you close your trade. So what you do is, once the 4th candle closes, you wait 5 seconds, and that's why it's good to have a candle timer. I'll go ahead and I'll pop a free candle timer in the Telegram group if this video can get 100 likes. Only 100. We are 5,000 subscribers. If we get 100 likes, I'll go ahead and pop the free candle timer in the Telegram group. So what you do is, you watch that candle timer and you're like, the 4th candle closed, 5 seconds. 5 seconds in, on the 6th second, if it did not spike, you close. But you would have caught this because it spiked within the first 5 seconds on the close of the 4th candle. Okay? So you record that spike and you would do it again. So this over here was actually a free signal that I sent in our Telegram group and in the VIP group. Also caught this. We got the small spike, it came back down, but I followed the 3 candle rule. I didn't tell anybody to close their trades, and we caught this massive spike. On the lowest lot was about $4 and something profit. But I hope that this video shows you guys that it's really easy to trail your stop loss, to manage your risk on your trades. Even though you are catching spikes, you guys can easily trail your stop loss. And it will be even easier for you guys if you guys go ahead and get the Viper system. Right, so you guys can get the Viper system over here. You can see it gave you a nice entry, and you can just go ahead, catch the spike, trail your stop loss. However, we are busy over here. That's a video for another day. If you guys want to know more about the Viper system, check the videos on my channel. I made a detailed video about how the system works. Check my playlist. All my systems are there as well. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys will know how to place your stop losses, how to trail your stop losses. Oh, I didn't show you guys actually how to place it. So on here, if you place it, so let's say we take a buy, you can, there's 1 or 2 ways you can do this, right? If you're taking a buy, you can just literally click and drag it, and that will be your stop loss. You'll see over there it says stop loss, and that will be your stop loss. Or you can just right click on it, and you can say modify, and over here stop loss, you can put in the price of the stop loss. So if you want to find the price, you can just click over here on the crosshair, and it will bring it like this, and you can see exactly where you want to place it. You want to place your stop loss just over here, that is 10184. So you'll always see price on your right hand side of your chart. Okay, 10185. Let's just do that quickly. You will then right click, modify, put in a stop loss 10185, and you click on modify, and your stop loss will automatically appear. And if you want to trail your stop loss, you just drag and you move it as price moves. But because we're not in profits with this trade, we won't be able to move our stop loss into profits. But I hope this video helped you guys, and you guys know exactly what to do when taking a trade, how to place your stop loss, how to trail your stop loss. If you guys, like I said, if you guys are struggling with anything, go ahead, comment down below, send me a DM on Telegram, on WhatsApp. All my info will be in the description. Look at that beautiful spike over there. It will be in the description below. You guys know where to find me, and I will see you guys on the next video.